Why my eye up? I get watery. Jesus Christ, I wonder if I did. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So as you all can see by the title, today we're going to be reviewing a headband wig. This video is sponsored by YOLANFAIRY. They sent me a 16-inch headband wig. Thank you guys so much, and we're just gonna go ahead and get into the review. When you pull the bag, you have the wig. Here's the wig. Inside I got a headband and I got wig caps and some little makeup brushes that I probably won't use, but it's cute. Yeah, so I also have two other headbands that I had on my own, and I'm just gonna try them on and let you guys see different styles. All right, so why my eye up? I get watery. Jesus Christ, I wonder if I did. I'm gonna take my did yet. I'm gonna reach it. God, you would have done that. Anyways, it come in a mesh. Just take it off. It have little stuffings inside, and there you have the wig itself. 16 inches in curls or body wave. It's very short, so yeah, but this is how the wig is structured. It has two combs inside. I've not done it. Yeah, so it has two at the side and one at the bottom. It has the strap at the back to secure it on your head. And basically, you guys know how to do a headband wig. If you don't know, that's why you're here and you're going to learn. So the first thing we are going to be doing, may I look for the always a last thing. When you get my life together, you know, my life is so not together, guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply. We're gonna put on one of our wig caps, and as you guys can see, my hair is already in a protective style, and I didn't want to pull it out to do the video, so I just took off the beads. You see, life can be much more easier. And we're gonna just go ahead and apply our stocking cap. So we're just gonna like plait the back and just like put it up. Yeah, thank you, my girl. Yeah, girl. And just put on the stocking cap. I wish living was this easy. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and put on our headband. I was rudely interrupted by my cousin. As always, she's just always up in my life. She's like my mom, right? You like my mom?
We're talking to her first.
So guys, we're just gonna go ahead and put on the wig. My head big, you know? My head really big. Oh, look, most of my things have to take out of it. My head to let's see this. It's a lot of work, fam. Alright guys, and you're gonna attach the what am I name again? Yeah, just put them down. And then you're gonna do the back thingy. So you're gonna tighten it at the back. But the most important thing is to leave out the edges, guys. The edges should be out. So just go ahead and take out your edges. I think I want to do a side part. I'm gonna do a side part like right here. Wait, it look like it already flippish like. Alright guys, so the wig is on and secured, and we're going to... Is secured or secure? One of them. We're going to style the edges now. I'm going to be using my Ocean hair wax, but edge control I call it, in the number 10. I heard this is the strongest one, and we're just gonna do our edges, our baby hair. Some soup.
Something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I can do, what I can do. We ride around the love, ride around the truck, ride around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Ride around the world, play, ride around, talk to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I should do know, but never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life.
Okay, so the edges are done. You can actually wear the hair like this. It's very cute, it's very messy, but I'm gonna spray it up just to have that wet look. I love the wet look. So yeah.
You, I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to ever so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it.
So this is how it's looking, guys. I'm just like cutting off a little stringy part. Yeah. Alright, and we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into the headbands now. I have 3 of them. This is the one that initially came with the wig, so I'm gonna try this one on first and see how it looks. Oh, people put on a headband. Oh, Jesus. Rochelle, my head big. It can't go on. This is the first one, guys. It's looking very cute. What I want to give Rochelle, which vibes? Beach vibes? Brunch? Brunch vibes, yeah. So this is the first one, guys. I really like it. It's cute. It's white. Looks godly. I'm a little deep. And we're gonna move to the other one. Leg up. Yeah, and I just want to show you guys that you can flip it to the center. When I have a spray down feet actually stay, but you can flip it to the center. Is this even the center though? No, but I'm gonna get this is the second one, guys. This is
Sorry.
no no, I can't want video me I do. My videos clear our throat. Anyways, guys, this is the second one. This is a yellow. This is giving like sunflower vibes. You can wear this with like a bodycon dress. Can you wear it with a yellow dress, a black dress, nude? Oh, it's so sexy with a nude dress. Yes, guys. Some heels or even a sneakers. Anyway you want to dress it up, it can do. Yeah, I rocked the center part for this one. This is very cute. Edges on fleek. Purr. Alright guys, we're going on to the last one now. This is the final one, guys. I did a half up, half down. Did I just say hop? I did a half up, half down. This one is cute. I actually like this headband. My favorite of them all is actually the yellow one. I'll definitely be wearing this a lot. You're gonna see this a lot because why not? So yeah, this is the last one. These styles are very cute, and with a headband wig, guys, you legit cannot go wrong. You can do like any style with a headband wig, but not really any, but you know, it's very versatile. You can do a lot with a headband wig. It's very cute, especially when you have a curly one. You can wear it messy, puffy. You can wear it define curls, wet it up and stuff. But yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. You guys can definitely comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. All the information to this wig will be down below. I think it's good. I think it's on the website for $60. I don't remember. I'll put the price on the screen for you guys if you want to purchase. And that's it. Thank you so much for Rochelle. You see if you sigh one more time, bro.
I didn't like sigh.
You sigh loud.
I was just turning.
Anyways, guys, she's so annoying. She's so annoying. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for subscribing and showing me love. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, babies.